Want to start a YouTube channel without ever showing your face? Here are 21 faceless YouTube channel ideas you can start right now. Number 1. Money and finance. Share budgeting tips, saving strategies, and beginner investing advice. Number 2. AI and technology. Cover trending AI tools, websites, and new technology. Number 3. Self-improvement. Talk about confidence, discipline, habits, and personal growth. Number 4. Teen lifestyle. Create videos about school, friendships, routines, and life advice. Number 5. Mystery. Tell stories about unexplained events and strange discoveries. Number 6. Interesting facts. Share surprising facts people can't resist watching. Number 7. Luxury lifestyle. Explore expensive homes, supercars, private jets, and billionaire lifestyles. Number 8. Travel. Make videos about beautiful destinations, cheap countries, and hidden gems. Number 9. Business and side hustles. Share ways people can make extra money. Number 10. Career and jobs. Cover high-paying careers, remote jobs, and useful career tips. Number 11. Psychology. Explain human behavior, emotions, attraction, and social habits. Number 12. Relationships. Talk about dating, red flags, friendships, and healthy relationships. Number 13. Celebrity stories. Cover celebrity success stories, lifestyles, and transformations. Number 14. True crime. Tell fascinating crime stories and investigations. Number 15. History. Turn forgotten historical events into entertaining stories. Number 16. Tech and apps. Recommend useful apps, websites, and digital tools. Number 17. Gaming. Upload gameplay, challenges, funny fails, and gaming tips. Number 18. Book summaries. Break popular books down into simple, useful lessons. Number 19. Productivity. Share study hacks, routines, and time management strategies. Number 20. Life hacks. Show simple tricks that make everyday life easier. And number 21. Food and nutrition. Create videos about foods, recipes, and interesting nutrition facts. The best part? You can create every one of these channels without showing your face. So, which faceless channel would you start? Comment your number below and subscribe for more YouTube ideas.